Let us understand how a coordinate bond is formed. Here we are taking first example of ammonium ion. Now in ammonium ion, the central atom is nitrogen atom. The nitrogen atom has 5 electrons in its valence shell. With 3 of its electrons, it forms a shared bond, the covalent bond with the hydrogen atoms, and one pair of electrons is left behind, which is known as the lone pair. It is known as the lone pair of electrons. The lone pair of electrons does not get involved in the covalent bond formation and is spare with the nitrogen atom. Meanwhile, if an H plus ion approaches ammonia molecule, H plus ion would be formed by the removal of the only electron the hydrogen atom has. So H plus 1 is basically a proton. It doesn't have electron at all. So this entire pair of electrons would be donated to this H plus 1 ion. This donation of electrons by a more electronegative atom to an electropositive ion is basically known as coordinate bond, also known as dative bond, DATIVE, where donation from one end to the other end is involved, where the lower atom is not at all sharing. So ammonium ion is formed such that a proper ammonia molecule is there, and the sharing is done one-sided by the nitrogen atom. It donates its lone pair or unshared pair of electrons to H plus 1 ion, so as the duplet of H can also be obtained. Next is hydronium ion. Here oxygen is the central atom. Oxygen, being central, has 6 electrons in its valence shell. 2 of its electrons are involved in covalent bond formation and one of the lone pair of electrons. Mind you, there are 2 lone pair of electrons, but it is able to donate only one of them due to steric reasons, means space reasons. To avoid lot of repulsion, it donates only one lone pair of electrons to H plus 1 ion, which does not have electron at all. So we have a possible completion of duplet for hydrogen by the donation of this lone pair of electrons towards H plus 1. Hence, the formation of hydronium ion takes place, where oxygen forms water, H2O, properly through a covalent bond, but there are 2 shared pair of electrons with hydrogen atom, but 2 non-shared, unshared pair of electrons or lone pair of electrons involved, and one of these lone pairs is donated to H plus 1 ion to form hydronium ion. This is the same ion which is formed when an acid is dissolved in water.